Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are turning our homes into a magical Christmas decoration with some simple creative Christmas home decoration ideas. Christmas is the season of light, love and charm, so let's make your home warm, cozy and full of spark this holiday. Outdoor floor, light up your porch or balcony with a hanging lantern and lights, add pot plants with red or small decoration tree. It's give your home that welcome festive glow even from outside. Friends and corner decorations, use jar or bottle or basket to create cute mini Christmas decoration. Fill them with pinecone, fairy lights, cotton for snow or tiny ornaments. They are easy to make and look magical on any table or shelves. Friends and bedroom decoration ideas. Hang stars or Christmas banner on your wall. Decorate your windows with fairy lights or snow spray for that magical look. You can even hang paper star or small ornaments for effects. Fireplace decoration ideas. Friends, if you have a fireplace, decorate the middle with something and fairy lights. Add some photo frames or candles on top for a personal touch. If you don't have a fireplace, use a shelf or tables. It's work just as beautiful. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel and viewers. Christmas Day. If you love this handmade home Christmas decoration ideas,